It's one of the things where I dumped my pockets the other day and there's 47 of them.
We need to cap that well off.
She said, it don't matter, I can edit this out.
When I send you a text,
Oh,
what pops up
notifications?
on your phone? That's not what you say though.
Notifications.
Yeah.
Is that what I say?
Yeah. There was one, man, you wrecked it the other day and I lost it.
I say notification?
You say notification.
Notification. Are you sure?
100%. That's the only reason I would know. Everybody I know says notification.
But I say notification.
Yes.
I'm special.
Anytime I make you repeat a word, it's typically because I'm probably about to make fun of you for saying it wrong.
I never claimed to be the brightest person in the world.
The bad part is I tell a lot of people you're smart.
Quit telling that.
Sydney, if you really want some good content, when you get to Aaron today, just ask him how his boat project's going.
Yes, please do it. Sydney actually had a question for you, Aaron.
How's the boat stuff going? Like, got it out on the water, or?
Well, in fact, it was out on the water for a short stint until I was stranded. Yep. And now it's been at the mechanic for 8 months. So, but he's giving me updates. 4 months ago, what was the update then? He said, I'm working on it tomorrow.
He didn't specify which tomorrow, though, actually. Could have been another one.
You gonna drill some holes?
There's a gas line right there. I'd hit that one first.
The gas line?
Yeah.
Just as long as you don't hit the wire.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. Sheesh.
You need a hammer too?
Yeah, I need a hand. Can I just borrow yours? Yeah. No, your hands.
Oh,
So, here's what I want you to do.
Idiot.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. I'm gonna try it. What's that taste like?
Lunch.
Tell me what we're doing here, Dalton.
Oh, Aaron's got it.
I'm not a lead man.
We're just adding a bracket light here.
I mean, you see what I was saying though? Like if we put it here and it hangs down,
Yeah.
I'd hate to be in front of the door. Don't put it here, but
I'm running under counter lights to a junction down here so that they can tie them all in together and they all come on one switch.
I think that wire is that one that goes through that pipe.
Out to the sunroom.
Yeah, we need to. Yeah, it's dead. Yeah. Need to jerk that out. We need to cap that well off.
Okay.
Because it should be city water now. Is the chandelier here?
That's what I was asking. I said I've heard there was a
backlights out
fan
there.
and a track light and then a chandelier, and he said he wasn't even sure. Because we already got cams in. Dang.
There's something in this wood.
It's that foundation's.
Record that wood. Something's gonna come out of there. Shut that door.
You need to check your pants.
I did. I was like, what? She said, it don't matter. I can edit this out.
That'll be when it dries. What's the plan here?
Just center the door up high. We was thinking about off to the side so that it wouldn't hang down too low in front of the door, but he said just go ahead and do it dead center. But we can bring the wire in the bottom of the light, make it that much higher too.
I think the spider crawled up your pants, Adam.
No, it was in that wood.
We need to nail down that sunroof.
Yes, sir. And not only that, but remember we got a switch and a wire rolled up for over the kitchen sink as well.
We'll just disc it. All right, we'll roll on.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Looking for someone that can set up. Duke Energy told me this morning, I need someone to set up a 20-foot pole and that the pump and stuff at that pole.
Okay. Yeah, I've run into this. Should be able to come out probably tomorrow, for sure, and we can kind of lay eyes on it, get a number for you, and get this thing rolling.
Thank you. Buenas, brother, ¿cómo estás? Mucho gusto, Juan.
Buenos días. Es una caja nada más.
Sí, vamos a ver. ¿Su nombre ya pedido tal vez? Miguel. ¿Cómo está, Miguel? El tubo de arriba.
Ajá.
Pero las líneas vienen de arriba también. ¿Tú lo puedes ver todas estas líneas?
Están atrás.
So he's wanting to move it there. Main feeder comes in through the top. And obviously all those lines. I know, I'm tight here.
Come off and you see the box. Súbete ahí y vas a ver la caja ahí.
When we get back to the shop, look at the schedule, I have a better idea. We'll give you a call this evening.
Okay, just call me and let me know
Yeah.
how much.
Yeah, for sure.
How much a week costs.
Yep,
Dale.
for sure.
Gracias.
Mucho gusto.
Thank you.
Hablamos,
Thank
brother.
you.
Absolutely.
Gracias, gracias.
Adiós.
So what's your name?
I'm Adam.
Hey, Adam.
I'm Juan. We do some YouTubing, so that's why we're
okay.
recording here.
Doing a video on most redneck neighbors and probably just put it bluntly. They didn't pay their light bill. If you look, just briefly, this house hasn't had power in quite some time because they were feeding their power off of this house. Duke Energy people were here to do an inspection over there to see if they could get power back. They wouldn't come to the door. Not my problem. But it worked out good for me. And once yuns set a pole and do whatever it is yuns do, then I contact Duke back. They run and bring power to it and set a meter. Then the well people come back and they do their part.
Yeah.
No, of course
We'll
not.
get back and look at the schedule. We may be able to get to it like Thursday, maybe.
All right. Today, sweetheart?
This key don't even go in the hole.
Oh my God. So I had the right key. Imagine. This dude. Imagine. All right. We're on our way to quote a generator. Pride Electric, we do a lot of Generac generators. They come in a handy when you got no power, obviously. You know, after Helene, that left a lot of people without power. So we're on our way to quote one, see if we can get it done for them. Mr. Roger, right?
The cable is in the back of the truck right there,
Okay.
and it's in a box. I've been riding it around, but the generator's around back, and I'd like to see what it would cost to have that hooked up to where
you want it. I guess there was a little miscommunication. Looks like we're going to just do a generator plug for him at a generator quote. So typically in this situation, we'll put a interlock kit onto his panel, and doing that gives him the ability to turn on whatever circuits he would like in the house.
It's not ever had much use, and
62, 55,000 running. Okay, perfect.
just in case we lose power, I'm just looking for something with heating to run a TV.
Yeah, no, of course. I will need to change a couple of those breaker spots, put a tandem in there.
But check him out. I'll come back.
Okay, let me go look. Oh, I do got to get in there, don't I? We're good, Roger. Appreciate it. All right.
I got a picture here I can show you.
Yeah, let me see. Let me see what you got.
And I'm half blind.
Well, great to meet you, Roger. Here, get knuckles. There we go. We read the same mind. Let me,
Hit me back, let me know.
I will. I'll send you that. I'll give you a call, too. All right. Got a little 2-for-1. He wants us to go quote his mama. He wants the same plug. So we're going to go right down Oh, we got a cranker. Ugh. Right down to that house right there. Far drive. Buckle in. All right. Oh man, 3 hours later we made it. All right, let's take a look in here. This is a fun one. So her panel is on the inside. Do you want me to take the camera? So what we're looking for is the panel. There's the panel wire right there, the service.
Oh, look at the camera.
Oh, shucks, how did I do that? Calibrating, there we go. I'm gonna have to look at the panel on the inside. There you go. With that plug, we could probably shoot down from the wall and put the plug right here. And I guess he could feed a wire through there if he wanted to, but we'll let him figure that out. What? You stepping dog poop?
Worse. Old food.
What is that?
Old food.
Here, do this. Swipe. Do you mind if I come in and take a picture of your panel? I just have to take a picture of it so I can get the right parts. Nice to meet you, Mama.
Yeah.
Roger told me all the great things about you, okay? It's so clean in here, Mama. Looks great. Well, gotta be careful. I don't want to break it.
It's like me. It's old.
It's an old panel.
Is this your daughter?
No, this is Sydney. She's our social media coordinator. All right, Mama. Well, you enjoy your lunch. Thank you. God bless you. You be safe.
Should I just start calling you Dad, or?
I guess. Come on, daughter.
Okay. Find you hunting going out there. They're trying to get a hole through there.
Okay, so what are y'all doing here?
Installing a new generator. Yeah, that's all you're getting.
See you in a bit. All right. Oh, Mr. Darrell, we'll see you, okay? Be safe. Talk to you soon.
3 hours later.
She clipped that.
Told me.
He thinks I'm weak out there.
You want a cookie?
Yep.
Go get him, boys.
You can probably strap it something like that.
Yeah. You'll just see it. You know, that's kind of
These new things are retarded.
You gotta take this off anyway. It's landing big ones now.
Yeah.
Every time we'll make a face like we do, she'll zoom in on it. It's pretty solid.
Maddie said we
Not
need the
bad.
videos. Pretty good.
When Dave was trying to get them screws into that thing, he was like, he goes, you might hear some things you don't want to hear. You don't want to cut the camera. And then like 5 seconds go by, he's like, yeah, they're about to start flying. And then your little, what do you call that? Your little clip, kind of what we did. She needed another clip.
I'm alright.
Davis.
I ain't got it today.
Davis. 2 estimates. Built 3.
Ate tacos.
What'd you eat for lunch?
Yeah, what I
Tacos? Where from?
Shit.
Taco truck, bub. Yeah, it's gas. 5 of them too.
Man,
That's a record today.
nothing.
Davis, while you're taking a break. Davis probably top 3.
I'm talking to 1.
And he's not 2. He could be 1. Davis, film that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Who's that, David?
Oh, so we're on the job talking about something. Clipping. Feel like it's working. Feels like it's what I was doing earlier. Switch one. Put that. This thing is. Put this in the video so Greg will buy us a new one of these. There it goes.
Oh, I gotta go back.
Go pull that wire a little bit. The black wire.
It's strapped.
The one strap, the first strap.
Just pull it. It loops down, loops down.
God!
It's strapped.
It's strapped.
Attaboy.
Stuff like this is kind of fun. Sometimes it can suck. Like drilling stuff like that and running, that stuff sucks. But this wireless is the easy part.
It's one of the things where I dumped my pockets the other day and there's 47 of them.
If you do a compilation of my farts, you gotta do one of his burps. I'm telling you, when he moves, and I'm not even, he don't even have to drink nothing. It's a solid, like.
That was pretty good.
Wait till he drinks him a little soda pop. Listen, sometimes we gotta work late. Alright? I said, y'all screws on a bad stretch of working late right now. I got you another one. If you're gonna do a compilation, I'll start giving you a warning. That way you got that camera ready. See, all these little wires are for like, so that, like the generators, like, they fire up by themselves and stuff. So these little wires sense, like when the power goes out, when the power comes back on, they'll tell it when to turn off, cut on, whatever.
She baited you into getting footage.
It's alright. If it's something I don't know what I'm talking about, I'll talk.